Not sure if you're going to remember, but quite a while ago I found some self-seeded potatoes growing in garden. Basically little potatoes that were missed after we was digging up the harvest last year. And as a rule you're supposed to take those out because they can be susceptible to blight, being the second year potato. But once 3 or 4 had come up, I decided to leave them and just let them grow to see if we get any free potatoes from that area that we wasn't using anyway. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to dig a few up now. I've noticed that the plants are falling over, dying back. So if there's going to be any potatoes under there, they'll already be there. So let's go and dig a few of these potatoes up and see if we can get some free ones this year. So this is one of those potatoes that we put in, and you can see it's completely gone. So if there is going to be anything at all under here, it's going to be right now. Let's dig it up. Not bad. Another one there. Another. Well, we got 3. That's better than none. Let's try another. Well, that one's been completely infested. That's no good. And that one too. I got a biggish one. Don't you just hate it when that happens? Well, that were a shame. Little one. A few more there. Not a bad size. That's more like it. Oh yes. That's not bad. Well, I think we can agree that were a pretty good result. We got some nice big ones as well. Really good sizes for chipping. We had to chuck a couple away because they'd been eaten into by insects. And unfortunately, one quite big one, we put the fork straight through it. It happens when you're digging potatoes up. That's why it's always better to do them in containers, because then you can just tip them out. But we got some. So I'm going to give them a quick weigh, see what we got. So I'll just set my scales to 0 and we'll put it on pounds again. And then we'll see what we got. £4.12. There you go, £4.12 of potatoes. So that really was a good result. Over £4 of potatoes from ones that have self-seeded and grown on their own from last year. But basically these potatoes have cost us nothing. It's just another little added bonus. There's a bit of scab on one or two, but as we know, that peels straight off. So it's not a problem. So we've got an unexpected bonus harvest this year. And let's face it, the way things have been going this year with the weather, one thing and another, we need little bonuses now and again. And it's great that we've got some that's a nice big size, because they're going to be perfect for making chips, while the rest can be peeled, chopped, blanched and frozen. So I'm going to get these stuck in house until we decide what we're going to do with them. If you want to see what other videos we do over the next couple of months, hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.